What if the way you greet your dog, feed your dog, and comfort your dog every single day is doing the exact opposite of what you think it is? If your dog enjoys human food, there is a real chance they will start begging at every single meal from that point forward. Talk to your vet about what foods are safe and decide early whether sharing your meals with your dog is something you actually want to commit to long term. Here's a question worth thinking about. Should you greet a dog the moment you walk through the door? Most of us are guilty of walking into someone's house and immediately exciting their dog, but whether that is appropriate completely depends on the situation. If someone is training their dog to stay calm around visitors, your excitement could be undoing weeks of progress. Always ask the owner how they prefer you to interact with their dog before you do anything. This is especially important with dogs you do not know in public. Many owners find strangers approaching their dog without permission genuinely frustrating. Should you feed your dog from a bowl? It seems obvious, but it is worth reconsidering. Food bowls are simple and straightforward, but they offer your dog zero mental stimulation. Puzzle feeders like the Kong Wobbler make your dog work for their food, which is more challenging and far more satisfying for them. For high-energy dogs, this kind of mental workout can make a significant difference in their overall behavior throughout the day. Now here's one of the most debated questions in dog ownership. Should you comfort a scared dog? Cesar Millan says no, arguing that comforting reinforces the fear and makes it worse over time. But Dr. Patricia McConnell, a respected animal behaviorist, calls that idea completely wrong, stating firmly that you cannot reinforce fear the same way you reinforce behavior. Other trainers fall somewhere in the middle. Most owners, including myself, find that offering comfort during thunderstorms or fireworks does seem to help. There's no single definitive answer here, so observe your own dog and do what genuinely seems to help them. Should you use the dog voice? That high-pitched, exaggerated tone most of us use without even thinking about it? Research from England found that dogs actually respond better to it, spending more time looking at and staying physically closer to people who use it compared to people who speak in a normal adult voice. So use it freely and without shame. Thinking about getting 2 puppies at the same time? Most trainers strongly advise against it. When 2 puppies grow up together, they tend to bond more deeply with each other than with their owner. They can become anxious when separated and harder to train independently. And as they get older, some pairs develop aggression or bullying behavior between them. A better approach, according to most vets and trainers, is to wait until your first dog is mature and well-behaved before bringing a second one home. Should you brush your dog's teeth? Studies recommend doing it every day or every other day. Almost nobody actually does this. The good news is that chew toys and dry kibble both help keep teeth cleaner naturally. Talk to your vet and make sure you have some kind of dental care plan in place, even if daily brushing is not realistic for you. Should you spay or neuter your dog? In America, around 80% of dogs are spayed or neutered. In Norway, it's actually illegal unless medically necessary. Not sterilizing your dog means managing the risk of unplanned pregnancies and navigating restrictions at dog parks and daycare facilities. But some studies do link the procedure to a slightly increased risk of joint problems and certain other health conditions. Your dog's age, breed, and gender all affect the risk level, so research carefully and have an honest conversation with your vet before deciding. Should you try to stop natural dog behaviors like chewing and digging? Rather than stopping them entirely, give your dog a safe outlet for them. Chew toys satisfy the chewing instinct and help with dental health simultaneously. For digging, consider setting up a specific area where it is permitted. More importantly, ask yourself why they are doing it in the first place. Boredom, anxiety, and excess energy are often the real root cause, and addressing those will reduce the problematic behavior far more effectively than simply trying to stop it. Finally, should you discipline your dog? If discipline means physical punishment or using fear, the answer is absolutely not. It damages your relationship and only suppresses the behavior temporarily without actually changing it. Instead, reward the behaviors you want and remove rewards when unwanted behaviors happen. Guide your dog toward making the right choice rather than punishing them for making the wrong one. And one last thing, when you meet a new dog, should you extend your hand for them to sniff? Most people do this instinctively, but it's actually the wrong approach and can sometimes result in a bite. Instead, let the dog come to you on its own terms. Crouch down to their level, turn your body slightly sideways to appear less threatening, and wait. A friendly dog will approach you. A nervous dog will stay back. Either way, you're letting the dog decide, and that's always the right call.